If you're feeling run down, lacking in energy, depressed, or unhealthy, it's possible that your chakras are out of alignment. And you may be thinking right now, what the heck is a chakra? Let alone, why would a chakra balancing help me? Well, I'll tell you, it's one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being. And it helps to bring your mind, body, and spirit back into alignment. So what is a chakra? Simply put, your chakras are the locations at which your spirit and physical body meet. The word chakra is an ancient Sanskrit word meaning wheel, circle, or cycle. This should help you visualize how chakras are understood to operate. Your chakras are constantly moving bands of energy that circulate within specific zones of your body, like a moving wheel. While there are many chakras understood to exist within the body, most practitioners focus on the 7 major chakras. Each chakra has a specific location in the body and a specific color. For example, the first chakra is located at the base of the spine and it's red in color. If your mental state is fear and worry, you most likely have a compromised root chakra. And a chakra balance would reconfigure your chakra, making you feel less worry, peaceful, and safe with your life. And whether you like it or not, your body and mind are heavily influenced by your own energy and the energy of others. And those energy fields dictate whether you feel vibrant and full of life or lethargic and down in the dumps. Aligning your chakras so that they are perfectly balanced and in tune with each other helps to get you feeling energized and whole once more. Here's a number of reasons why you need to align your chakras. Addictions, anger issues, abusiveness towards yourself or others, boredom with your life or others or bored with your job, a closed-off heart, depression, eating disorders, indecisiveness, insecurity, jealousy, lack of creativity, lack of motivation. So chances are, if you haven't been living under a rock for the past couple of decades, you've heard of yoga. And yoga, as it happens, draws much of its mantra from the chakra system. Reiki is another way to balance the chakras, and meditation can bring you into alignment with your chakras. In fact, many modern forms of meditation derive much of their essence from this understanding of energy flow between the major chakras. All acknowledge in some way, shape, or form that your consciousness is spread across all 7 chakras and that aligning them all brings a state of harmony and well-being. In this sense, aligning your chakras is like being in a state of meditation all the time, allowing you to achieve effortless calm and support a life rich in beauty and happiness. So I encourage you to reserve an appointment today for a chakra balancing and start bringing self-care back to your health care.